Hi! In front of me is Honor 50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Security. Then click on App Lock over here and choose Enable. Following that, you need to pick one of those options, lock screen password or custom PIN. I will go with custom PIN, so I have to click on it and enter my new PIN. Then repeat it. And now answer this security question, but you can also just tap on it, select one of those, or choose custom question and create your own. When you're ready, save it by tapping on OK. Remember to answer it correctly below. And when you're ready, select Finish. Now you can finally click on the switchers next to apps that you wish to lock, in my case calendar. So now when I click on the switcher next to it, go back and try to access calendar app. As you can see, PIN is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!